Hello everyone, I'm Meteorologist Mike Mihalik. It's time for your weather update for Tuesday, October 6th. We have a lot going on, especially in the tropics, but hey, please visit us on social media at those channels right there. And don't forget, we do have our Weather Lounge podcast. It's a bi-weekly podcast talking about all types of weather topics and even some guests at times. So find that on anywhere that you get your podcast. And also over on YouTube, our first thoughts for the winter outlook have been released. So please go visit that video if you're interested on the upcoming winter. Click that little subscribe button up there in the corner and you could certainly go check out that video and any other videos that we'll be releasing. And hey, but we gotta really talk about the tropics here, guys. I mean, Hurricane Delta is in the Western Caribbean right now. Look at this storm really wrapping up here. There's even a pinhole eye trying to show up right in the center of that convection there. So certainly a strong storm, rapidly intensifying too. So this could be quite a dangerous storm as it heads toward the Yucatan Peninsula here. Winds currently 110 miles an hour west-northwest at 15 miles an hour is the motion. And as that track plays out over the next couple of days, you'll see that it attains major hurricane status. We might be talking about Category 4, maybe even a Category 5 hurricane as it approaches Cancun right there, Mexico. So certainly a dangerous storm. I would please heed any cautions or any warnings that you do get over in Cancun as that storm moves through. Now, it looks like Delta will get disrupted a bit going over the Yucatan Peninsula, but then regenerates itself into the Gulf, maybe back to a Category 4 storm. So very powerful. Then it's going to make that turn up to the north. Fortunately, we think that this storm will weaken somewhat, back to about a Category 2 hurricane. So it will weaken some, but still a powerful storm, and don't take it lightly here along the Gulf Coast states, especially if you live in Louisiana, Mississippi, or Alabama. Certainly a dangerous storm to watch. Impacts in the Gulf Coast here, probably Friday night into early Saturday morning. So please keep an eye on that. But let's swing back to the northeast here. We do have a cold front. We'll be moving through the northern portions of New England here, mainly bringing some showers, even some thunderstorms though tomorrow afternoon, and those could be quite gusty actually. Maybe some gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. Yeah, so pretty intense storms are possible, Hartford and points on north. Now further south, only a few showers grazing New York City and Scranton, but winds will still be gusty outside of that, of those thunderstorms up to the north. Talking about 40 mile an hour or more wind gusts through the day. So please heed those, but it will be a nice warm day, that's for sure. So heading into the night, the winds will continue. So we're not going to drop all that far. We're going to drop into the 50s for most of the major cities, some 40s off into the interior. But for the most part, things will be drying out. Those showers will be moving off to the east, and for Thursday, high pressure starts building in. So we're looking at partly to mostly sunny skies. A beautiful day, temperatures in the 60s, maybe a 70-degree reading down there in Washington, D.C. Then looking into Friday, much of the same. Temperatures tick up just a few degrees, maybe reaching the mid-60s here in Philadelphia, 70 and 73 even in Pittsburgh. But a few more clouds will work in later in the day. But all in all, a beautiful day to end the work week on Friday. So that's your weather update for this week. Please visit us on all those social media channels and, of course, the podcast as always. In the meantime, I'm Meteorologist Mike Mihalik, and please visit back for some more weather updates.